Phishing is a dangerous threat in the vast ocean of the internet. Imagine a cunning angler casting a line with tempting bait. That's what phishers do. They disguise themselves as trustworthy entities. They use emails, messages, or websites to trick you. Their goal is to steal your personal information. This can include your passwords, credit card details, or even your social security number. Phishing attacks can be very convincing. They often mimic legitimate websites or communications. They may use logos, branding, and language that looks familiar. This makes it easy to fall victim. The consequences of falling for a phishing scam can be severe. You could face financial loss, identity theft, or even a complete takeover of your online accounts. Phishing is a growing problem. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to deceive people. They exploit current events or use sophisticated techniques. It's crucial to be aware of phishing and how to protect yourself. This includes being cautious about suspicious emails and verifying requests for personal information. Remember, awareness is your first line of defense. Just like a seasoned sailor can spot a storm brewing on the horizon, you too can learn to recognize and avoid the dangers of phishing. In the world of cybersecurity, we often talk about fighting fire with fire. Ethical hacking embodies this principle. It's about using the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers. But instead of exploiting vulnerabilities for personal gain, ethical hackers use their knowledge for good. They help organizations identify and fix security weaknesses before the bad guys can exploit them. Ethical phishing is a crucial aspect of ethical hacking. It involves simulating real-world phishing attacks in a controlled environment. This allows organizations to test employee awareness, see how susceptible employees are to phishing attempts, strengthen security controls, identify vulnerabilities in email filters, firewalls, and other security measures, and improve incident response, developing and refining procedures for handling actual phishing incidents. By conducting ethical phishing exercises, organizations can proactively strengthen their defenses against phishing attacks. This helps protect sensitive data, maintain customer trust, and avoid the financial and reputational damage that can result from a successful phishing campaign. Zphisher is a powerful and versatile tool. It is designed specifically for ethical phishing. It's like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. Zphisher provides a user-friendly interface. It simplifies the process of creating and launching realistic phishing campaigns. Before we dive into setting up Zphisher, let's make sure you have the right chip and supplies. You'll need Kali Linux 2025, a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Think of it as your trusty ship, equipped with all the tools you need. You'll need root privileges, administrative access to install and run Zphisher. It's like being the captain of your ship. And of course, you'll need a stable internet connection, your lifeline to the vast ocean of the internet. Now let's get Zphisher on board. Open your terminal. This is your command center. Type the following commands, pressing enter after each one. Git clone https://github.com/htr-tech/zphisher.git cd Zphisher chmod plus x zphisher.pi. Congratulations. You've successfully installed Zphisher. You're now ready to set sail on your ethical phishing journey. With Zphisher at your disposal, you can simulate a wide range of phishing scenarios. Here are a few examples. Scenario 1, the fake login page. The objective is to harvest usernames and passwords. The method involves creating a convincing fake login page mimicking a popular website, such as a social media platform or email provider. Send phishing emails directing targets to this page. Zphisher captures the entered credentials. Scenario 2, the malicious attachment. The objective is to trick users into downloading and opening a malicious file. The method involves crafting an email with an enticing subject line and a seemingly harmless attachment, such as a document or image. The attachment actually contains malware. Zphisher can track downloads and analyze the effectiveness of your campaign. Scenario 3, the rogue Wi-Fi hotspot. The objective is to intercept network traffic and steal sensitive information. The method involves creating a fake Wi-Fi hotspot with a common name and luring victims into connecting. Zphisher can help monitor traffic and capture data transmitted over the compromised network. These are just a few examples of how Zphisher can be used to simulate real-world phishing attacks. By running these simulations, you can gain valuable insights into how phishing works, test your organization's defenses, and educate users about the importance of vigilance. Section 5. The Ethical Compass. Navigating the waters of responsible hacking. As you embark on your ethical phishing journey, it's paramount to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool that should always be used for good. Here are the key principles of ethical hacking. Legality. Always operate within the bounds of the law. Obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. Consent. Obtain informed consent from the target organization or individual before conducting any phishing simulations. Transparency. Be open and honest about your intentions and methods. Clearly communicate the purpose and scope of your testing. Non-malicious intent. Your actions should be solely focused on improving security, not causing harm or stealing data. Confidentiality. Treat all sensitive information with the utmost care and confidentiality. Do not disclose any information obtained during testing without proper authorization. Reporting. Thoroughly document your findings and report them to the appropriate parties. Provide clear and actionable recommendations for remediation. By adhering to these principles, you ensure that your ethical phishing campaigns are conducted responsibly and ethically. You build trust, maintain your reputation, and contribute to a more secure digital world. Section 6. Legal Boundaries and Permissions. Charting a course through legality. Navigating the legal waters of ethical hacking, especially ethical phishing, is crucial. Without proper authorization, even with good intentions, you could face serious legal consequences. Always remember these key legal points. Written permission is key. Never perform any form of security testing on a system or network without explicit written permission from the owner. This documentation is your legal shield. Understand your scope. Your permission should clearly define the scope of your testing. This includes the systems, networks, and types of tests allowed. Staying within these boundaries is crucial. Data protection laws. Be aware of data protection laws like GDPR. These laws may impact how you collect, store, and handle data during your testing. Local laws apply. Cybersecurity laws vary by location. Ensure you understand and comply with the laws in your jurisdiction and the target's location. If you're unsure about the legality of your actions, consult with a legal professional specializing in cybersecurity law. They can provide guidance and ensure you're operating within the bounds of the law. Section 7. Beyond Zphisher, expanding your ethical phishing horizons. While Zphisher is an excellent tool for ethical phishing, it's just one tool in a vast ocean of cybersecurity resources. As you become more comfortable with Zphisher, consider exploring these additional tools and techniques. Social Engineering Toolkits, SET, a framework for creating custom phishing campaigns with advanced features. GoPhish, an open-source phishing campaign tracker with robust reporting and analytics. Kingfisher, a powerful phishing campaign framework designed for enterprise environments. Human-based social engineering. Learn the art of persuasion and manipulation to understand how attackers exploit human vulnerabilities. Remember, ethical phishing is an ongoing journey of learning and improvement. Stay updated on the latest phishing techniques and tools to effectively defend against evolving threats. Section 8. The Cybersecurity Edge. How ethical phishing can catapult your career. In today's digitally driven world, cybersecurity professionals are in high demand. Mastering ethical phishing can give you a significant edge in this competitive field. Here's how ethical phishing skills can enhance your career. Increased employability. Organizations are actively seeking professionals with ethical hacking and phishing expertise. Higher earning potential. Cybersecurity roles, especially those involving penetration testing and ethical hacking, often command high salaries. Career advancement. Demonstrating proficiency in ethical phishing can open doors to leadership and management positions. Industry recognition. Gain recognition and respect as a trusted cybersecurity professional. By developing your ethical phishing skills, you're not just learning how to protect systems, you're investing in a rewarding and impactful career. Section 9. Conclusion. Mastering the art of ethical phishing. Ethical phishing is a powerful weapon in the fight against cybercrime. By mastering this art, you can help organizations strengthen their defenses, protect sensitive data, and stay one step ahead of malicious actors. Remember to always operate ethically and legally. Obtain proper authorization, prioritize user privacy, and use your knowledge for good. As you continue to learn and refine your skills, you'll play a crucial role in making the digital world a safer place.